Fatima Gabbie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I do my DIY, which means do it yourself, hot oil treatment. And I use about 6 to 7 different oils, and each oil has its own great benefit for your hair growth and for other things. But I mix those up. If you're interested in how I do it, keep watching. Okay, we're in the kitchen. Let's cook. Y'all, please excuse my old pot, y'all. It's the smallest one I have, so I'm just using it just to heat up my oil. So the first one is the vitamin E. I'm putting about 5 squirts of that in there. It's really good for moisture, and it helps to prevent the other oils from turning rancid. Then I'm going to put in the jojoba oil, and this oil also moisturizes your hair, restores shine and manageability. So it's really good, and it's lightweight, very lightweight. Then I'm going to put in the almond oil, and this is 100% oil. I bought this from Walmart, as well as the vitamin E. The jojoba oil I purchased from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to put 3 capsules of the almond oil. Okay, so the next oil I'm going to add is olive oil, and olive oil is by far my favorite. This is one of my go-tos. I use this even when I'm not doing hot oil treatment, but it does wonders. You can use it for your scalp, your nails, your hair, your skin, anything, and it helps with split ends, your dandruff. It overall leaves your hair very silky and shiny and very moisturized. It's like a go-to ingredient for okay, so the next oil is avocado oil. This oil is bomb as well. It helps with hair growth because of the fatty acids that's in the oil from the avocado. It helps strengthen your hair strands, so you can really see, or there's really good benefits from this oil. Okay, so the next 2 oils that I'm going to add is the coconut oil and then the castor oil, and both of those I purchased from Walmart for under $5. And I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, and then 1 tablespoon of the castor oil. And then it's time to cook. Okay, and then I just stir it just a little bit just to make sure that it's mixed, and I turn my oven on very low, so between 1 to 2, because I'm not going to keep it on for long because I don't want it to actually cook. I just want it to have a nice warm temperature. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait for that to melt nicely, just so everything is in one form. Then I'm going to section off my hair. My hair is dirty, I would say. It's been about a week since I washed it last, so before I even wash it, I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil. I'm sectioning off my hair into about 3 sections, just so I can have a smaller section to work with and make sure it's nice and detangled so I can add the oil. Okay, you want to make sure that your hair is nice and damp before you add your oil, and I want my hair to be detangled so I can have an easy time spreading the oil throughout my hair. So there, I'm spritzing my hair with water. I always keep my water on deck. Okay, so I'm using an applicator bottle to apply the oil to my hair. You can buy this applicator bottle from your local beauty supply store for about 99 cents. Well, that's what I paid, 99 cents for it. And I use that to put it throughout my hair. I must make sure I massage my scalp. That's very important for circulation and just to promote growth. I also make sure that I put a great deal of oil towards my ends, because that's the most oldest and delicate part of your hair, and just helps with split ends as well. So I make sure I hit hit my ends with a lot of oil. Yes, you definitely want to show your scalp some tender love and care. You want to make sure you give it a lot of love and massage, 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 massage. Because you definitely will see a difference with your hair and growth. Once I feel that that section is nice and saturated with the oil, I section it off and twist it and then pin it up and then go into the next section. Okay, now I have all 3 sections done. I have my last section left, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I spritz my hair with water. I make sure my hair is detangled so I won't have a hard time spreading the oil throughout my hair. And then I add the oil on my hair, on my scalp, on my hair, and especially on the ends of my hair. And I just kind of make sure it's all the way distributed throughout my hair. And then I twist it up, pin it up. Okay, now that it's all done, I'm going to add a shower cap, a plastic cap on my head, and you can either let it sit for about an hour and then rinse it out. But for me personally, I'm going to sleep overnight and then rinse it out and wash my hair the next morning. So I apply this plastic cap as well as a regular bonnet, and then I tie it as well. You're going to see in the next clip, because you will find that the oil will seep throughout your hair and get on your pillow. So you want to make sure that it's nice and secure. So this is the finished results. My hair is nice, soft, and luxurious. But girl, we want them inches, so it's very, very, very important that we keep up with the moisture of our hair. You don't want your hair to start breaking off, or you don't want your scalp to become so dry to where it won't produce more growth in your hair. And especially your ends, like your ends are the most oldest and most delicate parts of your hair, so you want to make sure that your ends are always moisturized. So I hope this video was very helpful. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post more often. I try to post at least every other day. I try, but with my YouTube, I'm trying to at least push for every Saturday or Sunday, and then every Wednesday or Tuesday. So at least twice a week I'm trying to put up a video out there for you guys. You can find me on Instagram at Fatima.Gabbie, as well as my Facebook page, Fatima Gabbie. And now I'm trying to incorporate more healthy hair tips on my page, so you can be on the lookout for that. And like I said, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, make sure you subscribe, hit that red button so you can get your notifications when I post a video. You definitely want to stay tuned. I have some great things that I'm wanting to upload on my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.